रिगार्डिंग दिस स्टेट सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी. एक समय था ये लाइब्रेरी का जितना भी मेंबर्स हुआ करते थे दे हैड टू कम ऑल द फार वे लॉन्ग से आके यहाँ में आके देखा था कि एक किताब जो उसने सोच के आया था नहीं मिल रहा. बाय ऑटोमेटिंग व्हाट हैपन इज कि वो घर बैठे बैठे वो कलेक्शन को देख लेगा कि वेदर इट इज़ अवेलेबल और नॉट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, और अगर जो अवेलेबल है किताब इशू हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. तब अगर देखते हैं कि किताब अवेलेबल है और इशू भी नहीं हुआ तो ये सिस्टम ये 60,000 अप्रॉक्स जो किताब है उसमें से एक पर्टिकुलर किताब कौन सा रैक का कौन सा राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड कौन सा शेल्फ में है प्रिसाइसली वो बता देता है. बाय डूइंग दिस वी आर सेविंग टाइम ऑफ द रीडर्स. दिस इज़ वन थिंग. एंड फ्यूचर प्लान्स ये है कि ये जो ऑटोमेटा भी हुआ है ये दिस विल ऑल्सो गो फॉर दिस RFID होने से क्या होगा ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक हम लोग एक किताब लेते हैं, देखिए फिजिकली टच करते हैं, किताब को घर लेके जाते हैं. घर पे जो मेरा इन्फेक्शन है इसका कोई गारंटी नहीं है. व्हेन द बुक कम्स बैक वो किताब कोई दूसरा रीडर दूसरा मेंबर लेके गया वो इन्फेक्ट हो सकता है. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडेमिक ए न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी हैज़ कम विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज ड्रॉप बॉक्स. RFID बेस्ड रेडियो फ्रिक्वेंसी बेस्ड ड्रॉप बॉक्स जो हम लोग कंपाउंड में किसी जगह में रख सकते हैं. लाइब्रेरी के अंदर ही रखना है ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं, लाइब्रेरी का कंपाउंड में जो रीडर ने वो किताब लेके गया आके उस बॉक्स में इसको ड्रॉप कर देगा. ऑटोमेटिकली सिस्टम उस किताब को रिकॉर्ड करेगा और जो रीडर लिया था जो मेंबर लिया था उसका नाम से वो बुक चेक इन हो जाता है. ये चेक इन होने से क्या होता है कि उसका नाम पे फाइन चढ़ा नहीं जाता है. एंड द बुक इज़ केप्ट देयर फॉर 2-3 days फॉर क्वारंटीन. 3-4 दिन हो गया, इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड चला गया, इसके बाद बुक को निकाल के हम लोग डिसइंफेक्ट करके वापस रख सकते हैं. दिस इज़ अ फ्यूचर aspect that is going to be added in this library.
So sir, I wanted to ask if I am not wrong, if I am pronouncing it right, the kiosk, is it the
kiosk.
Yeah, so how will it change the dynamic of the library?
See, एक तो है कि अभी सबका हाथ में मोबाइल फ़ोन्स है, मतलब स्मार्टफोन्स है, बट देर आर स्टिल a few percentage of the students specifically who for some reason or for any reason cannot afford the smartphones. So in order to access our OPEC, our online services, you need to have minimum a smartphone. When we don't have that, the student comes here and he goes to the OPEC. The OPEC is just giving him the same service which a smartphone would have given to him. क्योंकि अभी उसके हाथ में स्मार्टफोन नहीं है तो जो फिजिकली लाइब्रेरी में आता है और कियोस्क से उसका पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन जो मोबाइल से मिलना था वो कियोस्क से लेता है. बट नाउ इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू पुट द कियोस्क इन एवरी हाउस, सॉरी. तो इसलिए कियोस्क हम लोग इस लाइब्रेरी का 2 हिस्सा है, 2 ब्लॉक है, 2 ब्लॉक में 2 कियोस्क रखा हुआ है. सो जिसके पास स्मार्टफोन नहीं है दे कैन कम डाउन हियर, मैनुअली जाके किताब ढूंढने का दरकार नहीं, और कियोस्क के सामने जाके किताब को ढूंढ लेगा, रैक शेल्फ नंबर देख लेगा, किताब को लेके वो एक्सेस कर सकता है.
So you guys, the library has also launched a website?
Yes, yeah. That is State Central Library Itanagar. In Toto, State Central Library Itanagar.org.in.
So anybody can go and access to the books, or is it just a member exclusive?
No, anyone. Member exclusive, there is only one feature which is member exclusive. That is if you want to borrow a book from the library, only then you have to be the member. Otherwise, a student or a reader who is not a member of the library wants to come and read, he or she is most welcome. Come here, take the book from the rack, go to the reading room, read the book, keep it back. So member exclusive is only for hiring the book.
Any special section for the local authors?
Yes. We have one section called Arunachal section where all the books that is available is totally on Arunachal, on different tribes, on different cultures, on different laws, everything.
Will it be available on the website as well?
Yes, the catalog is available. As we said, the digitized form of the book is not available because due to that copyright this liabilities and all. But at least, say for example, you are looking at a book on Adi, Galos or something on a particular tribe. Now you want to know whether that book is available in the library or not. Go to the website, go to Arunachal section, see whether that book is available or not. Come to the library, access the book.
Sir, since the library is fully automated now, sir, then how many days or months it has taken, sir, to come into this conclusion? And then could you please tell us your team, and then are you getting any kind of help from the departments or the governments, sir?
Yeah, that is first of all, ये जो आपने पूछा है कि कितना समय लगा, ये सुन के पसीना छूट गया है, because we started this project in 2017 and initially the things were going fine. हम लोग क्योंकि this is totally cloud based, तो cloud based का मतलब we need the internet, that is the backbone. So 2017 में जब हम लोग शुरू किया, आप लोगों को याद होगा तब ये हाईवे रोड कटिंग शुरू नहीं हुआ था. हम लोग ब्रॉडबैंड का BSNL का ब्रॉडबैंड जो होता है उसी से हम लोग काम शुरू किया था. इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, एग्जैक्टली 2016 सितंबर, कमिंग डाउन टू दिसंबर, रोड कटिंग शुरू हुआ and all the lines, electrical lines, telephone lines got disrupted, as a result of which हम लोगों का इंटरनेट चला गया. आज से 4-5 साल पहले इवन ऑल द नेटवर्क प्रोवाइडर्स जो अभी है, इतना एफिशिएंट सर्विस नहीं था जो आज है, राइट. सो वी ट्राइड विद ऑल द पॉसिबिलिटीज़ आउट हियर, बट देन दैट इज़ ऑलवेज एक स्टेगरिंग एफर्ट हो ही जाता है. दैट वाज द मेन रीज़न दैट इट टुक टाइम. बट देन जब हम लोग देखा, एनालिसिस किया कि इंटरनेट के ऊपर बेस करके तो हम लोगों को शायद 10 years 15 years भी हो जाएगा, वी कैन नॉट कंप्लीट द प्रोजेक्ट. वी वेंट टू ए डिफरेंट अप्रोच. व्हाट वी देन स्टार्टेड इज दैट वी टॉक्ड अबाउट दोज आवर लोकल सर्वर्स. वी हैव टेकन सम लोकल सर्वर्स विच इज़ टोटली इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ इंटरनेट. हम लोग डाटा एंट्री उसमें करना शुरू कर दिया. वो इंटरनेट का कोई दरकार नहीं, लोकल है. After 1 month, 2 months of data entry, those data used to be uploaded. चाहे नाहरलगुन से करे, चाहे ईटानगर से करे, जहाँ पे इंटरनेट अच्छा था हम लोग करते थे. ऐसा करते करते we had a plan of handovering this project last year in the month of February. Unfortunately, COVID-19. So we lost a total 1 year. And this year also almost 6 years. And today we are fortunate to have this day to hand over, and our dignified guest is also out here. So ये था मेरा journey.
You will ask.
Yes, sir. That's the purpose of
First, you will ask me, na?
Yes, sir. So I'd like to know the purpose of your visit here in our library today, sir.
I came Itanagar for attending State Library Planning Committee meeting. Being Director General of Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, it is my duty to visit a state and discuss various matters related to development of public libraries in the state, and fix funding support, whatsoever funding support will be for the next financial year. So we are here for the same discussion. Today we had a very useful and beneficial discussion with the Secretary of Culture, who is in charge of public library system in the state, then Director of Public Libraries and other senior officers. We tried to check out the plan for the whole year, this next year, and because of this pandemic time, it's very difficult to mobilize funds, means library services with the help of funds. But even then, we explored possibilities to provide better support whatsoever we were providing previously. Here I am in State Central Library in a launching program of library automation solution. It's a very good effort of State Central Library Arunachal Pradesh, and I requested him that this type of initiative must be taken by each and every district library of the state, with the help of which we can provide better support in terms of resource sharing, which was already suggested by one parliamentary committee last year. So in that direction, it will be a very important tool. I hope that we will see better solutions in the future. Besides, we discussed on Books on Wheel scheme. It is recently initiated by Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation. The objective of our Honorable Minister, Shri Prahlad Singh Patel, the Minister of Culture, Government of India, is to ensure access of books and access to library to for each and every person of the country, especially for deprived and poor people. So in that regard, we are trying to provide access of documents through books on wheel scheme. In this particular scheme, we planned this scheme in the PPP mode, public-private partnership. And in this scheme, we are approaching corporate houses under this corporate social responsibility, CSR mode. These organizations, companies or business houses, they will donate vehicle in the form of mobile library van, bus, and RRRLF will provide them running expenses like engaging drivers, providing regular funding support in form of recurring expenses, petrol and so on. RRLF will ensure the functionality of these buses and these mobile libraries for the whole year. So we are trying to have one mobile library through this books on wheel scheme to each and every district of the country. This is the major initiative.
Your experience here to see the state library. If you get a chance, describe it in one sentence.
It was a wonderful experience. Firstly, being professor of library science, I saw that very good Public Library Act is passed over here. And as they are having Quality Public Library Act, I saw that each and every district is having their district library, then subdivision library, then rural library, and this is state central library. So because of a good Public Library Act, this system is here. One more thing, that Arunachal Pradesh is having a separate Ministry of Public Libraries and one Directorate of Public Libraries with professional director. So these are the specific features with the help, due to which we are observing good public library system in the state.
Okay, what will be your hope towards the future leaders of the state?
Futuristic hopes are excellent, but as we are facing pandemic situation, we discussed various ways to provide better information support in this hard time. So I hope that they will provide, means the state authorities will provide better information access in this COVID pandemic.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.